Omitting articles in sports talk. English language magic. Hello, language learners. Today we're diving into a very interesting and specific topic. Omitting articles in English when we're talking about sports. This might sound a little complex, but don't worry, we're going to break it down step by step to make it easy to understand. In English, we use articles a, n, and the to clarify if we're talking about something specific, definite, or something in general, indefinite. But there are some situations where we can omit the articles, and one of these situations is when we're talking about sports. In English, when we're discussing sports, we generally do not use articles before the name of the sport. For example, we say, he plays football, not, he plays the football. She loves tennis, not, she loves the tennis. In these cases, football and tennis are unspecified noun phrases. We're not talking about a specific game of football or a specific match of tennis, but the sport in general. However, like any language, English has its exceptions. If we're discussing a particular match or game, then we do use an article. For example, the football game we watched last night was exciting. I can't wait for the tennis match next week. Remember that we use the article when we're talking about a specific instance of a sport. Let's put this into practice. Here are some sentences for you to try. Correct, I'm learning to play chess. Incorrect, I'm learning to play the chess. Correct, the basketball game was intense. Incorrect, basketball game was intense. As you practice more, you'll find it becomes second nature to know when to use and when to omit articles. And that's it. We've unraveled the magic of omitting articles in sports talk in English. It may seem tricky at first, but with practice, you'll get the hang of it. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every step you take brings you closer to fluency. Stay curious, keep practicing, and we'll see you in our next video.